Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to quickly capture anything that grabs your interest. So I'm actually doing a bathroom remodel right now, and I'm really concerned about the ventilation in there because I take kind of long warm showers, right? So I go to HGTV because I trust them and I want to find the perfect bath ventilation. Read through this, it's some pretty good information, but I don't really have time to make a decision right now, so I'm going to save it. And when I was going through that, I also noticed from this old house, I trust these guys as well. They have a pretty cool installation guide over here. So I don't really want to go through the process of remembering that right now, but I'm going to save it for later. Additionally, say I find the perfect fart fan over at Amazon. I come over here, I want to save this because this is really the one for me. I'm going to go ahead and save it in my Notion notes file. And when I come over to Notion, you'll see that they all pop up. And I can do whatever I want with these. I can either attach it to a project, which I'm going to in this situation, bathroom remodel. And you can see that it's linked to that page. And the benefit of this is, it goes away. Now, when you want to go see that, just go to the bathroom remodel project and you can see it forever. Or what about if you wanted to go over to home and living? Say that it's just really good information that you're going to use in other areas of your life. Well, you can save it in that area and it goes away. Choosing the right bathroom remodel, same thing. You can come over here, add it to your bathroom remodel project. And now all of your tasks and anything that you found interesting is stored in one place for you to refer to at any point. You can assign tasks, you can pull that from other areas if you have another bathroom project that comes up. So you have access to it and never need to find it as long as you're doing it while you go. So this really allows you to work at the speed of thought and never forget the important things.